हेलो एंड वेलकम टू ट्रैवल सोलो विद संगीता। आज मैं जा रही हूँ रायपुर, छत्तीसगढ़ कैपिटल सिटी। This is my maiden trip to Raipur. I have just a day's work to do in the city, but the traveler in me suggested that I stay a day extra to check out Raipur. Hi and welcome to Travel Solo with Sangeeta. This is my trip to Raipur. I'm starting from Delhi. Thankfully, it is T3 airport, though it is an Indigo flight. And I'm really excited about that because T2, for some strange reason, is too messy at the moment. So let's see what I get to experience in Raipur. And I'm going to bring all of that to you. And plus also the extra bit of traveling solo for a woman 50 and above. So here I am taking an Indigo flight from Terminal 3 of the Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi to Swami Vivekananda Airport at Raipur. November का महीना है, so hoping Raipur won't be hot and sweaty. Airport तो पहुंच गई हूँ, flight के लिए थोड़ा time है, but I want to make a confession here. I am the kind who would rather be early for a flight by a few hours than be late. So इस वजह से मेरा एक प्रॉब्लम भी हमेशा मैं फेस करती हूँ एयरपोर्ट में, विच इज आई डोंट नो, पता नहीं आपको होता है कि नहीं, बट वेन एवर आई एम एट एन एयरपोर्ट एंड आई हैव सम टाइम टू किल, I feel so peckish looking at the attractive lineup of the restaurants serving multiple cuisines. So, and this feeling particularly hits me when I am at T3. So this time too, I failed to fight that temptation. सुबह का टाइम है, so I am thinking of trying out a paper dosa, but what best to go with it if not a filter coffee? The dosa I ordered has come a little soggy strangely. एक बात बताऊं, ठंडा अंडा and soggy डोसा कभी भी नहीं खाना चाहिए. चलो फिल्टर कॉफी है as a savior here.
I don't know whether it's like I'm age 50 and that's why I wanted extra meal. I don't know why I took it, but it's such a bad soggy dosa. I can't finish it. So I'll have to say bye-bye to it.
By the way, I booked myself a window seat in the flight, predictably for the reason that I want to get a view from the top of the city that I am visiting for the first time. And here I go. Raipur airport is small but quite neat and clean. थोड़ा impressive तो लग रहा है. Nice, सुंदर छत्तीसगढ़ी ट्राइबल का आर्ट का एक नमूना भी दिखने को मिल रहा है. I don't know how many of you know about it, but Raipur is also called the Steel City. So you can see steel art at the Raipur airport as a representative of that facet of the city. Plus छत्तीसगढ़ tourism का एक ऑफिस भी दिख रहा है, just in case you want to inquire about places to explore in the state. Tourism is increasingly picking up in Chhattisgarh. Raipur is mostly used only as a landing point by visitors before spreading themselves to this picturesque and nook and cranny of this central Indian state. बहुत कुछ देखने के लिए छत्तीसगढ़ में है, and I promise to bring it all to you in my channel. तो जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. आपका जो ये हेल्प एंड गुड विशेस मेरे लिए बहुत जरूरी है टू ग्रो माय चैनल. सो प्लीज सपोर्ट माय एफर्ट. इफ यू हैव नॉट बुक्ड अ कैब फ्रॉम योर होटल, so don't worry, there is Uber at the Raipur airport, so lend करके एक कैब आपको आसानी से मिल जाएगा. No tension here. I have but booked my taxi from the hotel, which also means I don't have to, bother about finding the address of the hotel in the city that I am visiting for the first time. Relax, okay? I can just sit and get the first idea of the city. The airport is not far from the city, so it will take me about 20-25 minutes, I think, to reach my hotel. The hotel I have picked is Sarobar Portico, a mid-range one in the heart of the city. You can look at my room, comfortable enough, clean bathroom, so nothing much to complain. Today is my work day, तो काम पे ही पूरा दिन निकल जाएगा, but tomorrow I shall be checking out Raipur city. I have a full day to spend in the city, So do click on my next video to know which can be, what can be your itinerary for just a day as a solo traveler in Raipur. But before leaving, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Ciao.